Let's begin with our big focus. Breaking news we're tracking at the moment. An unsettling moment from Bihar's election campaign trail. In fact, it was caught on camera. A minor boy from the stage of an RJD rally in Samastipur made a shocking statement. He alleges that if Tejashwi's government is back in power, then they will roam around freely with a firearm. As in the word used has been katta. That's the latest thing that's making headlines at the moment. A minor boy speaking from an RJD rally is heard making an open appeal not just to vote for Tejashwi Yadav and the Grand Alliance, but to roam with a katta, which is actually a local slang for a firearm, if the RJD forms the government. What's even more shocking is that the RJD's candidate was also present on stage, clapping as the child made this statement. We've got a crucial reaction lined up for you. Listen in to what played out. In fact, we've got a crucial reaction lined up for you from what the Prime Minister has also said. Listen in.
आपने एक और चीज भी नोटिस की होगी, इन लोगों के पोस्टरों में कांग्रेस लगभग गायब है। आरजेडी ने कांग्रेस को कट्टा दिखाकर मुख्यमंत्री का उम्मीदवार भी घोषित करवा लिया और अब कांग्रेस को उसकी हैसियत भी दिखाई जा रही है। कांग्रेस के जो नामदार कुछ हफ्तों पहले तक बिहार में बड़े बड़े दावे कर रहे थे, उनकी तस्वीर और दावे दोनों को पोस्टर में से भी और घोषणा पत्र में भी आरजेडी ने बोना बना दिया है, बोना बना दिया है। आजकल आप ये भी देख रहे होंगे कि जो वादे, जो घोषणाएं आरजेडी के नेता कर रहे हैं, कांग्रेस के लोग ही उन पर विश्वास नहीं कर रहे हैं। जब मीडिया के लोग कांग्रेस के नेताओं में उनके मुंह में उंगली डाल डाल करके बुलवाते हैं, कांग्रेस और आरजेडी के बीच लंबे समय से एक भीषण झगड़ा चल रहा है। कांग्रेस के नामदार ने छठ महापर्व को इसलिए भी ड्रामा बताया ताकि बिहार के लोग आरजेडी पर गुस्सा उतारे और आरजेडी को पराजित करे, इसलिए ऐसी बातें बोली जा रही है।
Joining us with a response on behalf of the JDU, we have with us Neeraj Kumar, currently on the broadcast. Mr. Kumar, thank you so much for your time. Your first reaction on a child glorifying the use of illegal arms on a rally stage of the Mahagathbandhan.
आज आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के द्वारा कही गई जो बात है वह स्पष्ट रूप से दृष्टिगोचर हो रहा है। ये नए पीढ़ी के बच्चों को क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं? एक लोकतंत्र में एक जिम्मेवार आप राजनीतिक दल के प्रतिनिधि हैं, चुनावी मैदान में हैं, और एक बच्चे का इस ढंग से राजनीतिक उपयोग करना उसके दिमाग में क्या डाल रहे हैं? तो आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि कनपट्टी पर लगा करके क्या होता है वो सब, जो अब तो बिहार के लोग भूल भी गए हैं उसको, कट्टा। अब ऐसी चीजों के बारे में बुलवाना एक बच्चे से, ये कहीं से न्याय संगत नहीं है और नैतिक रूप से तो गलत है, लेकिन नैतिकता की बात कैसे की जा सकती है? राष्ट्रीय जनता दल का जो चरित्र है ना, वो चरित्र ही है सजा याफ्ता का। इनको कोई भी चीज में लोकतंत्र में लोक लाज नजर नहीं आता है। यह दुर्भाग्यजनक स्थिति है और बिहार की जनता ने एकदम तय कर रखा है कि ऐसे लोगों से बिहार की जनता दूरी बना के रखेगी, जनता इनके खिलाफ जनादेश देगी।
आपकी पार्टी एक बच्चे के बेपरवाह बयान को अपने फायदे के लिए राजनीतिक बना रही है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल। देखिए, बाल श्रम एक अपराध होता है और बच्चों को पढ़ने के लिए आप सिखाइएगा ना। अगर मंच पर आपने चढ़ाया तो आप बताते कि एनडीए के राज में, नीतीश कुमार जी के राज में क्या बनोगे। स्कूल जा रहे हो, विद्यालय में मिल रहा स्कॉलरशिप, किताबें मिल रही है, स्टूडेंट क्रेडिट कार्ड मिलेगा, इंजीनियर बनोगे, 10 रुपये महीना में पढ़ोगे। ये सब बातें बच्चों के दिमाग में डाला जाता है। या शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में तुम्हारी और क्या जरूरत है, इसके बारे में इकट्ठा और ये सब बोल करके उस बच्चे के दिमाग को और उसके अभिभावक को कितना लज्जित होना पड़ा होगा। तो हम तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि चुनाव आयोग को भी इस पर संज्ञान लेना चाहिए।
Right.
ये
Mr.
गंभीर
Kumar,
अपराध
thank you so much
मामला है।
for joining us on NDTV with your thoughts on behalf of the JDU. The JDU expressing that they will escalate matters and address the same with the Election Commission. Raman Rai has also been tracking the reactions as far as this episode is concerned. Raman, tell us, what's been the immediate fallout of this video in Samastipur and beyond as well on social media too?
No, this video is totally went viral on the social media platform after a minor boy is appealing for make Tejasvi government in Bihar, and after that we'll room with Katta and no one will speak, and after that JDU hits out on RJD that this is the culture of RJD. Katta, already Prime Minister Narendra Modi also used Katta jive on RJD and Congress and said that RJD puts Katta over the head of Congress and announced Tejasvi as a CM candidate. And again, we seen in that particular video that a minor boy is chanting from the stage that make Tejasvi government in Bihar will room with the Katta. And if you'll see in that video that RJD candidate from that particular assembly seat, Mohiuddin Nagar in Samastipur, Ijay Yadav is the candidate from the RJD, and she is standing on the stage just beside the minor boy, and she is also laughing and clapping for the statement is been given by the boy on the stage, and that boy is particularly said that make Tejasvi Yadav government and will rooming with Katta. So this kind of statement is going on in the assembly state of Bihar, and that's why Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also hit it out earlier on RJD over the Katta jive, and also puts allegations on the RJD and Congress party that said that RJD puts Katta on the head of the Congress and announced Tejasvi as the chief minister. So these are the word which is going in the state of Bihar.
Raman, thank you so much for joining us with the latest. Joining us on behalf of the BJP at the moment for a quick comment, we have with us Guru Prakash Paswan. So thank you so much for your time. Glad to have you back. Is the BJP likely to escalate this issue and inform the Election Commission?
No, absolutely. You see, this is what we call the institutionalization of politics of violence. And we are being accused of often taking the name of Jungle Raj, but this is what we are reminded of. It is the official platform of Rashtriya Janata Dal. It is not some random social platform. Official candidate of Rashtriya Janata Dal. There are flags of Rashtriya Janata Dal, and in presence of the senior leaders of Rashtriya Janata Dal, this is happening. It's a boy, young boy, not even adult, who has been uttering this thing. So the culture of violence and the politics of violence that has been propagated and promoted by the Rashtriya Janata Dal, and hence our accusations of Jungle Raj now are founded. There is a basis to it. The songs which are playing, the sort of speeches that are being delivered, this is doing nothing but instilling fear in the minds of an average Bihari. The Rashtriya Janata Dal, like we said, it stands for violence, it stands for corruption, and today we stand vindicated. This is the truth, this is the reality. The Rashtriya Janata Dal leadership must come out, at least clarify and apologize to the people of Bihar. This is something that we are not going to accept at any cost. This is what we are afraid of. I have grown up in a Bihar which was full of, the atmosphere was Jungle Raj. And we cannot let the future of an average Bihari get jeopardized for this politics and their lust of power for the Rashtriya Janata Dal. Absolutely not.
Right, Mr. Paswan, on behalf of the BJP, asserting that the RJD must clarify its stand and issue an apology. But Mr. Paswan, you know, Your own party campaigning aggressively across the battleground state. How do you ensure responsible rally behavior across all sides? Right. Mr. Paswan of the BJP seems to have left before answering that question. We'll, of course, revert to the BJP and get you the latest.